Slow process, but progress. A little bit at a time, just like eating an elephant. Give me a wise guy. Oh, I only got it. See, like right there, stop just hit my forward pedal. The next day, I'm got the grapple fixed for now, but I'm just trying to be a little more cognizant of how I run over the stobs. Try not to go like against stobs that are facing this way until I get this cleaned up. So fingers crossed I can get this finished up. I wouldn't mind running the chisel disc just to pull some more roots out and loosen up more of these stobs and let it start drying. So I only got it. See, like right there, stob just hit my forward pedal. Because some pedals are underneath the deck there. So note to self, next time do a little better on the cleanup. But if I can get this field done, I'll move to the next one. I might bring the bush hog and then mow these stobs down, and then they're really not an issue. You know, you always got to worry about getting a flat, but it is what it is. You know, when you're dealing with smaller machines, you do what you can with what you got. So I don't know how I missed this spot with the excavator, but I did. You know, and the more I clean up, the more I get out, the safer and better field's going to be, obviously, for the machine. I may run the grapple forward once I get these last couple piles. We'll see. I got the chisel disc on also, that pulls a lot of this junk out. There you can see it's doing its thing. Slow process, but it's progress. A little bit at a time, just like eating an elephant. running the chisel disc just to start breaking it up. Give you a look out back here. It'll be a slow process. Alright, I changed up. I'm going to go nice and slow forward with the rake, the grapple. It's leaving a pretty nice trail, getting swaths cleaned up. And that way at least the stobs, at least I can get them bent over this way. So they minimizes the risk. So I'm going to do this for a while. Just get this field cleaned up slowly. This is the original micro plot. You see the green right here? So that's what I'm going to do. And then, because that back got tangled a little more than what I like untangling it, so we'll go forward with the teeth of the grapple. Really slow. Alright, now I'm going back to dual front and back. Scraping the front, I got the back down where the teeth are just barely cutting and the discs are rolling. Seems to be doing pretty good for a combo. Alright, change of plans again. I'm going to go finish my grappling in the other fields, and I'm going to bush hog this. That it's just going to be a lot faster because this is really slow, having to be careful with the stobs. So I'll leave the chisel disc here. I'll bring the bush hog back. Once I bush hog them, I mean, this is all mostly skinny stuff. So once you bush hog them, you know, 6 inches or less, then I could sink that disc down deep and yank most of them up. So I'm going to go to the next field. Alright, I made it to number 2. Missed a lot on this one also. Alright, we'll get to work. Ain't bad here. Not as bad as the first one. So far my patch job is holding up. I could probably disc this, but if I'm gonna bring the bush hog, I'll just bush hog all of them first, get them stobs down, and then it's just gonna be less risk of busting a line or something. Got a dangler. Alright, we'll wrap this one up and keep moving. Here's one of the micro plots from last fall. You can see the wheat and stuff's coming back up here. So this one I did not expand. Working our way to the last plot, which is the brand new one. He bulldozed it from scratch. Should be not too much farther. Maybe. No, never mind. It's a ways yet. I forgot about this other stretch. Okay, let's get this last one knocked out, and I'll give you a quick after look, and then we're going to call it a day for the grappling project, and we're going to continue on in one of the next episodes. Yeah, that's a load right there, baby. Got that whole last pile all at once. Alright, here's the after look. The third field. Good progress. Good progress. Give me a wise guy.